training our custom model using the Embeddings Open API in order to generate question and answer pairs. So let's start. So this is the documentation and code that will be following question answering using embeddings. So to create an environment, let me go here, Python env. Let me install this Jupyter. Okay, let's run it from here only. Okay, so let's go to examples and question answering Q&A. Perfect. Yeah, so let's start from the first one. Let's install these three packages and also pip install OpenAI and one more pandas. Okay, now let's try to run this one. Okay, and now, yeah. So what was the prompt, Ajay? Just send in the chat so that I can copy paste that here. Okay, this piece is not required, I guess. That is just an example. Did that run? Or it is still running? I think that is done. Okay, that's just an example. We can ignore that. And now we will start with reading our CSV file. So pre-processed document library. Yeah. Did you send the JSON, that CSV? Right. All right. So does it require that the sample other slash? CSV. Okay. That is sample data and the file name .csv. Okay. And also let me show that CSV file. Okay. So in this case, we have two columns, question, answer. So let's start with the question and answer. So in this case, we have only question that we want to set index. Okay. So Ajay, does this mean that it will just pick up top five?
It will only show that five samples.
And how can I pick only top 5 or 10?
Just do df equal to df dot sample.
It will be better because I don't see that we like, for example, if I set df with that value, then my data type will change. I believe so. Let me manually keep only 10 rows. Now let me rerun this one. 9 rows in data, and these are my rows, top 5. Okay, and here what we have to change? Nothing, right? We have to change this one. R dot answer. So wherever the content is there, we need to make the change with change that to answer. Okay. And here it will be question. And let's get rid of this piece. And here it will be R dot question. I'm hoping that there is no errors because it is not showing me any.
No errors.
Okay.
Use the third term.
And what is this one?
You can create that embedding using that third line. Just uncomment that and run it.
Uh,
This they are giving that embedding data directly.
mhm.
In that in our case, we are creating new right.
Uncomment the below line to, okay, this one, right? And this one I can comment.
Yes.
Okay. And since I did not provide my API key, I think that should be the issue. Where is the error? Yeah, no API key is provided. So let me set that. You can set your code using, or you can set the environment variable if you set. Okay, let's set here. Just send me that API key, Ajay. Okay, and an example embeddings. Let's run this one. When did Beyond start becoming popular? Okay, some data we have received. And is there any change here? Context dot items. I think no change.
No change.
Let's run this. Who won the man's high jump? Order document sections by query similarity. What does this mean?
That will order that these things related lines.
Okay. In our case, what is the input?
Just take that question first one. Uh, they will list that lines with that similarities. That percentage is the
Okay. And in my case, there is no similarity.
yeah.
I think this one is there. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, add the most relevant document sections to the query prompt. In our case, no changes, right? Okay, and
Here,
context and
here the tokens right, you have to change.
what I have to change?
Choose section length. The document section dot tokens are there. So you don't have tokens column, right?
This line.
No, no. Down in the for loop,
Mhm.
down. Choose section length.
Okay, this one.
Uh,
Okay, so document section dot tokens. Since we do not have any, and from where this document section is coming from, df dot section index. And what is the section index?
most relevant documents.
Okay, yeah, it's on the for loop. And what is LOC here?
It will take that this thing, data from the data frame.
Okay, let me run first without any changes and let's see. Does it give any output or any errors?
No, no. It will. It is only defining that function. It will give the
Okay,
error when you are calling.
and prompt. What does this mean? What is this prompt?
Prompt
Okay, it is calling this guy construct
that
prompt. Okay, series object has no attribute tokens. And how do I create that?
tokens column.
Yeah,
You can use df
And where should I put this one before construct prompt?
You can create one this thing, plus button you can click.
Like before this method, I can create use this, right?
You can go on anywhere you can go. Those are different.
Invalid non-printable character. Now let me run this again. Nope. Series has no attribute content. Okay. Somewhere some content is there that we have
You
to
can
replace.
choose section dot append.
So it will be answer. Any other places?
No,
Okay. Selected 9 document sections. Answer the question. Okay. Context. Okay. We use temperature of 0.0 because it gives most factual answers. Okay. Answer query with context. And here, do we have any changes? No. And answer query with context. It should reply with me. I don't know.
yeah.
That is good. Uh, More examples. Let's call this again. Why is this printing this whole questions for me?
That is set in that function.
Yeah, now I can
That's
add my question here, right?
yeah.
So let's add something.
Okay. We put it.
No answer. Great. I don't know. Let's ask something else. Oh,
Actually, that answer is listing in the first. Uh, that selected 9 documents, right?
okay, this one is coming. In what R&B group was she the lead singer? Destiny's Child. We are getting some answer. Like if I ask something from here, then it is giving me something. And Dangerously in Love by Destiny's Child. Where is that question? Okay, this one. What was the question? What album made her a worldwide known artist? Dangerously in Love. Released in 2003. Okay. I think it is giving me something. That is good. Now, what I'll do, I'll just modify this particular model and add some custom questions. Okay, let me ask some hi hello question and see whether it will reply me or not. And it should reply with me. I don't know. That's correct. Hi. Let me add single answer for multiple utterances. So we have seen something about already some random question answer, and let's try to give our own question and answer pairs, and let's see if it is able to retrieve something. And let's start from the beginning. This time it will be very quick. I think this is not required. So I can start from the place where it is reading my question and answer.
So you can use Shift Enter for running.
Okay. Shift enter. That is quick. Okay. Now, now let's ask hi. Perfect, perfect. Now it is giving me hello. Now let's say IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. Can you tell me what is IFSC? It still gives me that. So it understands that natural language pretty well. And hola. Okay, hola it is not giving. Let's try with hello, hey. Okay, perfect, perfect.